Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about the Bosch MTU 2000 series injector. We just got these in stock. They fit, there's an 8-cylinder configuration, a 12-cylinder configuration, and a 16-cylinder configuration. First of all, they come in this Bosch brown box, and you've got the Bosch part number on there, and then bottom right hand corner you can see these are made in Austria, and it's packed pretty nice. We got a nice bubble wrap VCI bag here that I guess protects it from corrosion, and there's some padding there. We're going to take a look at the injector. First thing I noticed when I look at this thing is it's heavy. It's probably 10 pounds and about a foot long. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a pretty hefty injector for a larger engine. And taking a look at the top, we've got the Bosch part number, a serial number, a factory code in the upper right hand corner there, and then the bottom section has got the IMA code. We've got a customer the other day that was asking about whether or not these have trim codes on them. They do. They're on the top. There's a QR code there. Your mechanic should know how to use the engine's program these trim codes into the software to make sure that there's no issues with emissions. And this is a brand new genuine Bosch injector, and it's the original equipment manufacturer. And what that means is MTU buys this injector from Bosch, and they put that in an MTU box. So when you get this from a Bosch box, the only difference is the box externally, and there might be a branding difference where it doesn't say Bosch on top, it says something else. But this is the same as you would get from MTU, same quality, and it's brand new. On this one there's actually no core, which is phenomenal. Got a couple of prongs there for the solenoid. You can see there's 2 male prongs that stick out. I've seen these get bent in shipping. You've got to be careful with those. There's not much there to protect. So yeah, another nice thing is it comes with the O-rings on the body, and it looks like that's fuel return right there in the middle of the body. And then down here is comes with a copper crush washer. So it comes fully dressed, ready to go. That's nice for the installer. They don't have to find other parts. It's good to go. So yep. Any questions about this injector, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, we're excited about this. Really nice product, and hopefully you guys think so too.